So good morning. You may remember I recently tested cheese out to find out which flavors are the strongest. Well, of course, I've got lots of cheese left over, so what I'm going to do is make a very special 4-cheese mac and cheese. Well, it is Thanksgiving after all. Let's get started. This is for later. You'll see. Breadcrumbs. Right, so it's nice and boiled now. We know the flour is cooked. Now it's time to add the cheese. Okay. Don't add the cheese on the stove. I'm going to add about half of this. Then we're going to save the other half for the topping. Just gently blend that in. If you could smell this, oh my God, there's just a slight hint of garlic that I like. Not too much, not overpowering, just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of flavor to enhance, you know, all those sauces and the cheese. Oh man, if you could smell this, I hope my friends, my American friends that I'm making this mac and cheese for appreciate all the hard work. It's not really hard work, it's dead easy. Look at that, it's just, you can see the stringiness of the cheese, right? And that's like, it's not even all melted yet. So we had 4 cheeses. We had the Parmesan, we had the cheddar, that mature cheddar that we added in there. I think it was probably a 30-year-old mature cheddar or something like that, that Lavco one that we found yesterday. Plus the 2 Bries, which was, that adds that really extra creamy, cheesy flavor to it. Look at that. That is a cheesy sauce. Let's get the macaroni in there. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh. Now let's add the rest of the cheese. Oh my God, it just smells so good. I am happy with that. Now, the mix, dill, parsley, and spring onion. And I mix it in with breadcrumbs. Now this is gonna add a bit of texture to the mac and cheese. So we just sprinkle that on top too. That fresh herbs, the onions, the dill, the parsley, the onions, and that just adds a bit of love to your cooking. That goes in the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes, just to bind it all together. One very special ingredient I like to add, and if people know me, they kind of know that I use this a lot. This is smoked paprika, and it just adds a little bit of smokiness to remind you of, you know, like a barbecue. It's great because it's gonna accompany meat. So I just get a little bit, not a lot, because it's very powerful. And I just sprinkle that a little bit over. I mean, that will get into the flavors, that will get into everything. You don't need a lot, just a tiny, tiny bit. Oh, it just adds like a barbecue, smoky flavor to it. It's Spanish paprika. I really recommend it. It adds so much. Right, that was in the oven for about 15-20 minutes and it's ready. Oh, look at that. Woo. That is Moe's special mac and cheese. Oh, the guys are gonna love it tomorrow. It's gonna be perfect, easy reheat later on. Perfect. Right, stay tuned and keep watching my channel because I'm going to be making a lot of food over this winter, and I'd love for you to be part of my journey. I'm going to be making some Russian food too. Well, I'm going to be trying to make some Russian food. So, I'm Rotomami, and this is me signing off for now. Baka baka.